Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to increase or decrease the volume of a clip in Kdenlive. So if you wanna increase or decrease the volume of your video on Kdenlive, this is how you do it. First, you just need to import a video clip on Kdenlive and then drag it on your timeline. And then on the timeline, you just need to click on the audio part of the video. And after that, you go to effects, and then you'll see the volume and dynamics. You can actually access that by clicking on this speaker icon. There you go. And then you just need to drag the effects on your audio clip. And then after you drag it on your audio clip, you'll see this option. Once you have this option, you can adjust the gain here by moving left to right. So right will be the increase of the audio, and then left will be decrease the audio. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.